Hey Katherine girls, so with the launch of the Date Night Beauty collection, I'm going to give you a quick eyeshadow tutorial using the Coffee Talk eyeshadow palette. So the first and one of the most important steps is to apply primer to the lids. I like to use the Katherine Cosmetics Concealer in Light just to cancel out any redness that there might be on the eyes. And then I'm going to set the concealer using Vanilla from the Coffee Talk palette, which is a matte, creamy white shadow. So the next shade that we're going to use is the matte brown shade called Cappuccino, and we're just going to blend this out in the outer corner of the eye and just blend it up into the crease. This is going to be our transition shade, so it's just going to make everything look super seamless and smoky. So now we're just going to repeat the same steps with Mocha, and this is just going to create a really nice blend of the two shades. And Mocha is a little bit darker and more shimmery than Cappuccino, so it's just going to tie in the look and make it more smoky. So using the brush from the palette, I'm just going to go back in with Mocha, and I'm just going to build up that intensity on the outer corner of the eyes just to make it more dark and even more smoky. Now we're going to go in with an angled liner brush, and we're going to take the darkest shade in the palette, which is Espresso. And this is a dark matte brown, and we're just going to apply this to the lash line just to kind of create a base for the eyeliner, just so we make sure that everything is super smoky. And now we're just going to go in with that little blending brush again and just smoke everything out. Now I'm going to go in with Latte, which is this gorgeous shimmery nude shade, and I'm just placing this all over the lid and into the inner corner, and I'm just using these patting motions just to really intensify the shimmer in the shadow. Now going back with Espresso on the angled liner brush, we're just going to put this on the lower lash line just to make everything really seamless and just to add more intensity to the look. Now, this is a little secret tip that I like to do. So I'm just applying Sienna's highlight directly underneath the curve of my eyebrow and in the inner corner of my eyelids. And this is just going to really brighten up the shadow and illuminate the face. Now, just to give it more of a smoky feel, I'm going in with Cessna Brown eyeliner, and I'm just applying this a little bit on the lash line and blending it out with the brush that comes on the other end of the eyeliner. This is just going to make it more smoky and a little bit darker towards the outer edges of the eyes. And last but not least, I'm going in with the Katherine Cosmetics black mascara, and it's super important to apply mascara to the upper and lower lashes because it's just gonna intensify the look even more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to our Katherine Cosmetics YouTube to be updated with more tutorials just like this.